Going on, y'all? I'm at Naperville River Walk for the first time at night. Let's roll through. Going on, y'all? I'm in Naperville River Walk. I'm about to go inside of Empire. Let's roll, let's roll. What's going on, y'all? I'm at Empire at Naperville River Walk at night. It's my first time here at night. I did a daytime video, but this is a nighttime video. It's actually super dope. Check it out. There's a lot of people here. Nice bar, nice atmosphere. They got a live band downstairs. So downstairs is super nice. Check out up here. So it's absolutely beautiful here. Show y'all Naperville River Walk. So it's a nice space to come have a drink, man. Check out the bar. The bar area is beautiful. The bar area is amazing. So the bar area is nice. So you can have a drink. It's outside. It's like the Florida vibe to it here at Naperville River Walk. So I got a Corona and I got Maker's Mark. Hey, y'all, make no mistake, their burgers are super good. They are known for their burgers. And I got a mushroom, create your own burger where I got tomatoes. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you so much.
Tomatoes, lettuce, onions. Burger is dope. This burger is super good. Make no mistake, this burger is like that. This burger is wow. Empire's burgers, they known for burgers. They specialize in burgers. Yo, it's worth it, man. The burgers are dope. But I like Naperville River Walk because they got a bunch of bars all over the place. And you can just bar hop all down here. You ain't got to pay for parking, nothing. You just hop in.